Hey guys, Chad here, Sandy Garage Toys. So today we are going to do the first mod on the Rubicon, on the Gladiator here. So what I'm going to do today is, I think we're at day 4 or so of owning it. And I do not really care for the fact that it came with the cloth floor mats, which I ordered it that way because I didn't want to pay the $165 from the factory for the slush mats. So I figured I could get them cheaper online off Amazon or something like that. So I ended up going to the dealer and I ended up buying the factory mats for cheaper than I could order them. So there's a tip for you. I ended up, I think they were $165 to order them online. And what I ended up paying was $154.62 for them. So anyways, we'll try to get those put in here and see what happens, see how they fit. So, all right. So I'll get the other ones pulled out here and see what they go in like. Let you guys know what they look like here in a second. Okay, so one thing to note on these floor mats, which a lot of them come this way, some of them don't. The factory mats from Mopar come with this drain hole right here. So what happens is you have to come into your floor mats, you pull your other ones out, and next to it there's a little flap here that comes down and goes to the drain hole. Now the carpet is still connected a little bit there, so what you'll have to do is you'll have to take your utility knife and you just make a little cut in that carpet right there. Kind of like that right there. And that little piece of carpet right there comes out and that exposes the drain plug. So then you have to take, it's a little hard to do this with one hand. You'll take and pull that drain plug out like that, and then your mat now will set in there, and then you'll take this little drain plug here and it should fit right in that floor mat now, and that keeps little critters from crawling up through there or anything else, and that seals off that mat. And you can tell there's a little indentation there that holds it down in there. If you don't do that, then this plug here will not snap in there correctly, and your floor mat could slide around and get caught up underneath there. So you will have to do this on the driver's side and the passenger side, but this is the passenger side. So let me get this one installed and then we'll go to the passenger side and do it. Okay, so we've got the floor mat snapped in. Now mind you, these are probably just from shipping and stuff, not really formed. So we'll see, have to see how those form out after a little while. I wish there was a little bit more coverage up in here around the gas pedal. Up underneath the clutch pedal has good coverage. The brake pedal, not too bad, but just I wish that kind of formed back up in there and come around a little more. As you can tell, I haven't driven it, but let's see here. I think it's right at 40 miles, and I guess I'm one of those type of people that keep my foot over here a little too much. So we'll have to see how that goes, but both of them snap in, and then this piece here kind of snaps in too, so it felt really good. Had good positive engagement there, and then like I said, that one there, it comes out of there, it just drops right back in there. So We'll do the passenger side real quick and let you know how that one works out. Okay, so here's the passenger side. It was the same deal. You just pull the carpet up right there, and you had to cut out the little loop down there, or the carpet, and just kind of a little loop, just kind of pick it up and it connects at the sides there. I'm gonna save my carpet, don't ask me why. So anyways, I may save it in case I decide to switch them out and put like a set of WeatherTechs in or something else. Like I said, I believe WeatherTechs do not have this. It doesn't show it on their company page and stuff. So anyways, gives you that little drain plug there. There's a little Easter egg on the Mopar mats. There's a T-Rex skull on this side. I think in somebody else's videos I seen there was something else on the driver's side, but I don't really see anything on that side. So I don't know if they kind of discontinued that. This was the last set of mats that my dealer had in stock in the parts department. And I think this is October 9th, I think. So we are, and he told me he could not order any more until December. He didn't know why, but he just said he couldn't order any more till December. So I don't know if they've got some kind of change coming to them, an update or something. So anyways, and then that's the drain plug that comes out of the drain plug in the floor. Once again on this side, and it just pushes down in there. Like I said, just keeps little critters from coming up through there. So all right, we'll get around, get the back installed, and let you know how that one turns out. Okay, so here we go. We got the back installed. Let me flip this and see if that makes any difference. So anyways, we got the back installed. This is the driver's side. It comes in, there's a little Easter egg of the miner pickaxe and shovel. Those just snap in. There is no drain plug in the back. It's a two-piece mat deal. It comes across though. Got a nice little Easter egg of a Willys Jeep there. It's a two-piece deal. It just kind of comes together, kind of folds over, snaps in. Got little tabs there that hold it back together. So the back coverage is really good. I like how far it comes up. It actually goes over like the seat mounts and actually goes pretty far back up in underneath the driver's seat. Covers there, comes around, seals up pretty good. Mine does not have the lockable storage. So it comes around there. It's actually pretty decent coverage. We'll go around, check the passenger side, let you guys see what that looks like. It's pretty good too. Comes up there, seals up pretty good, goes back up under the passenger side seat there really well. Put your feet way up in there so you can kind of get comfortable. And like I said, this is that two-piece kind of snap design. I don't know if I'm sold on that. I think I would have been happier if they would have just made it one piece. So we may end up pulling that out and maybe putting something in there, some kind of adhesive or something, just to hold it, just to make sure it really stays together good. So, but coverage around in here is really good. So, all right, well, that's how that works out. So all in all, I mean, for the money that they are, we'll just have to see how they hold up and how they do. You know, factory stuff always costs more just because it's, you know, a Mopar product. So as we come around the back here, like I said, I mean, I'm pretty happy with them so far. Like I said, time will tell. So, but all right, well, that'll work for this video, guys. Let me know what you think. What kind of floor mats did you guys buy? Maybe you guys got something a little better recommended. So we do have some other stuff coming up here Got some other stuff on order, so we'll see how everything works out. Let me know what you guys think. So, all right. Well, till the next video then, guys. We'll catch you on the next one.